Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get free samples from Pinchme. First is visit pinchme.com and create an account or log in your account if you have an existing one. Complete your profile honestly and it helps because it matches your preference with better samples. Go to the Sample Tuesday section on your dashboard because every month new samples are released and you have to claim them fast. Add the available samples to your box and confirm your order. Shipping is completely free, no credit card needed. Once the samples arrive, try them out and provide feedback. Giving feedback increases your chance of receiving more samples. Check your email and notifications so you never miss sample a day. Some users also get surveys that lead to bonus sample boxes. So be patient because Pinchme may take a few weeks to deliver your samples. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.